Hey, check this out. I don't know about this chat. Trap snacks? This look and well, it sound like some edibles or something. You feel me? Nah, I ain't saying that 'cause he black with golds and dreads. Nah, I ain't stereotyping, but traps sound like you making this in the bando, my boy. But I like the the iridescent bag and the details on the little candy at the top. I like that. So I'm gonna give y'all a try, see what y'all hitting on.
Hey, William and Dallas. Y'all tell old girl I'm sorry, please.
Alright, chat, look at this. I'm watching Marvel movies and eating trap snacks, y'all.
I just opened the bag, chat. It got a little smell to it. I ain't saying a good or bad. It's just a smell. Can't describe it, y'all. I'm sorry. I want to, but I can't. But we gonna try one, y'all. Nice size, great. Look good, man. Look like crystal meth. I better be addicted to these mugs. I'm finna lick it, chat. I ain't gonna tell. I'm looking crazy, so let's see. Lick test. It tastes like I don't know. I got cotton on my fingernail. Don't say nothing, y'all. I'd eat that too if it was on me.
I'm not perfect at addition. See, my math teacher wasn't you, so she wouldn't work all my attention. Plus my mind a prison. And every day you came to visit. They can't assassinate my character, and I won't never blame the system, cause it's a mind thing. Times change.
That's really good, Trap.
Let me tell you something you probably never knew. I've been in love ever since I first met you. Go to war behind your love, cause I've been dying.
Like really good, chat.
I probably upset you, but at least God took his time when he was trying to.
Alright, chat, look at this. I'm watching Marvel movies and eating trap snacks, y'all. Hey, I never get tired of that iridescent. Look, chat. Ooh-wee. Beautiful. Check that out, chat. Boss battle. You only got one hand. What you gonna do? Oh, snap. Anyway, chat. It's real fruit. Real grapes, man. Almost dropped that, chat.
Oh yeah, man, I can't be clumsy like that. Fumbling to work. Walter White would put me. I never watched Breaking Bad, but yeah, that crystal meth, I was really addicted to it. I ain't gonna lie, this is my first time ever trying candy grapes, and it really set the bar, y'all. Hey, trap snacks, it was. Hey, I ain't gonna cap, bro. That junk broke my scale. Like to this day. I'm still thinking about them trap snacks, bro. I need that. Not gonna count with you, boy. Delicioso. Like, hey, my official rate, since I have to do one, since this is my food review, my official rate, bro, I don't even got no rate for it. Man, that's 1,000,000 out of 10, bro. I ain't gonna count. That's my official rate, 1,000,000 out of 10, man. Y'all go holler at Trap Snacks. I'm gonna try to look up their Instagram and show love. Put it in the description below or something like that. But hey.